With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a ball is thrown upward with an initial velocity of 100 meter per second. After how much time will it return? Draw velocity time graph for ball and find the graph from the graph maximum height attained by the ball, height of the ball after 15 seconds. So if I draw the curve, so if you see it is thrown with an initial velocity of 100 meter per second. Right, and if you see here, it is given here, it is thrown with a velocity of this. So you can just get the time when it will reaches the maximum height, and that will be the time when its velocity will become 0. So you can just write down the first equation of motion. So here the acceleration will be equals to g in downward direction. So it is minus 10 meter per second square. So its velocity will become 0 after a time of 10 seconds. So it will be symmetric about the maximum height. So 10 seconds it will take to reach to the maximum height. So this time will be 10 seconds. And then in further 10 seconds it will be somewhat here. Right? So this is 10 and this is 20. So in 20 seconds it will be here only. Now if you see the velocity, it is in meter per second. So this is the curve. Now we want the maximum height. So we know that the area under the VT curves gives the displacements. If I write down the maximum height, so area will be, if you see, it is thrown with a velocity of this. So this is 10 seconds. So we'll write down half into base into height. So that is this. So this area will be equals to 500 meter. So in 15 seconds, if I want to find out the displacement, in 15 seconds, the height. So if you calculate this area, let's say this area is S dash. So again, we will do the same thing. But if you see this is 5 second distance, this is 15, right? And you can also get this length by making the slope 10. So since the slope is 10, right? So if you write down this, so it will be, if you see here, the acceleration is by time interval, right? So this will be time interval times the acceleration, that is 5. This is 5 seconds. So it is 50. Right? So it is 50 meter per second. So it is half 5 into 50. So it will be 25 into 5. So it is 125 meter. So as we got this, we want the height at 15 seconds, right? So we'll write down. It is. So this distance will be taken as negative because it is below the time axis. So it will be negative area. So I will write down minus this. So it is 375 meter. So if you see, we draw the curve of VT at curve, and from that we got the displacement, maximum displacement as 500. This is the maximum height, and the height at t equals to 15 seconds is this. At 15 seconds, and this will be maximum height. So if you see, as we got this, right? So how much time it will take to return, you can also get that. So you can just see here, 10 seconds it takes to go to the maximum height, then another 10 seconds it will take to come to the ground again. So how much time it will take? It will take 20 seconds. So these will be the answer. This is 500 and this is 375. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.